Hi, good morning. I am with Alina. Say hi, Alina. And I'm with Noah. Say hi, Noah. Hi. Is that you? Malag me. Hato kami festival. Asa dapito siya? Janice? Oh.
Little Italy daw.
Little Italy. We're going to Little Italy with these two kids.
I found
Makiat daw yung silang lula.
a pink gummy bear.
Yeah, this. Oh, that's Susan. Among leader. And Denise.
Among driver.
Among nag-video ko para ipadala. And ihulog na ko din sa mong chat kay para murag ng kaanisan kunuhay sila ba? I-post na ko. So, Noah. Okay, Noah.
Mommy, it's green light now.
Oh, it's green light now, the mommy. And Alina, what can you say? Say hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody. On your channel.
Welcome to my channel.
Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to my channel.
So, you have that gorgeous eyeglass. You have that shades, huh, Noah? Noah is so handsome, don't you? Can't you see that? And Alina is so beautiful.
Back your channel.
Oh, welcome to our channel. Hello, good noon. Ang oras diri is 12:30. Si Janice, with Miss Janice. Susan.
Balot na balot.
Alona, Alina. Say hi, Alina.
Kasulod. Alina, ikapoy na ni Bas.
Oh, nami karon diri sa close sa kasada sa Italia, Little Italy na lugar diri sa Ottawa. Look, mao dito ang pika side and the other one dito nga side. So, ta ninyo sa pagkakaroon kay dili pa kay siya ingani ka crowded, maybe mga later. Nag-start pa sila paggawa sa mga display and mga foods. Na painting diri o. What do we call this? Nice kayo. Baligya man yata nino? For this. You just have to give a tip. Oh. Nag-paint siya face. Oh, sa kalsada. Oh. Nag-start niya siya paint like that. Oh, sa kalsada niya gi-paint. Future.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is a girl. Paint of a girl.
Baklay sila. Pasaka. Sa Exodus. Panaog. Hills. Mga turista.
Yung galing sapatos sa metal nito.
Metal?
It's a metal.
Isa na siya.
Person. are you calling, Noah? Noah? You call the police?
Yes, the police now.
Ah, okay.
I'm a police. No, that's right. That's good. You want to be a police someday, huh?
Pani isa ka oras dirihan nagkulit ng mga bata sa ila. Oh, Pilipino daw. Raise your hands daw sa mga Pilipino yang.
Sabuyan is naikaan.
Subway and train.
Ya, tunnel ni. Wala ni dito. Sa Manila lang.
Ang duwa oh. Wala ngit-ngit.
Taas lagi.